Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Chevrolet. This car have a problem. You can see here engine light blinking, engine warning light blinking when I ignition on and car not start. So when I try to start, not start. That's the problem. So today I will show you why this engine light blinking and what is the problem, why this warning light doing like this. If a car engine control unit have problem, it's engine light blinking like this. So I try to diagnose with scanner, but there is no communication. So what we need to do, remove engine control unit, remove cover and see if inside anything have problem or not. Okay, here is the engine room, and you can see here I already removed engine control unit. We just came here, see, it's the cover, see inside burn, see this sign, and then see inside, see damage engine computer. Damage those capacitor. So if your car have same problem, remove engine control unit. If your car also same engine light blinking, remove engine control unit and see if like this, that means your engine control unit damage, need to replace engine control module. Okay, thank you.